Hey guys, welcome to Rollout Savings with Danielle and Lori. I'm Lori and we've got some really cool information. Did you know Alexa has rebates? Amazon rebates. What you got to do, you got to get the Alexa app from your Play Store and download it. Make sure you're signed into your account. Go to your shopping list. Mine is available under My Activity, or you can select More down in your bottom right corner and List and Notes, and then your shopping list will be available from that screen. Now, when you get in your shopping list, select Savings. That will be right there at the top. When you get into Savings, you are going to want to clip your offers, just like with any other rebate app. You need to clip all of your offers first and scroll down because there are multiple offers in multiple categories. And then you go shopping. You purchase the items that you have selected that you want to use the rebate for and just check out. You can use coupons. It does not matter on the Amazon Alexa rebates. So to get paid, you select Get Paid from the same screen that you selected your offers from. And then it will prompt you. You'll hit Redeem Offers on your next screen. Then it will come up for you to take a photo of your receipt, and then you will scan your individual products. Now, your rebate amount will be added to your Amazon gift card balance in your Amazon account, which is basically free Amazon stuff for going grocery shopping and buying household products. And we can even help you with that. We are online. You can find us at rolloutsavings.com. Once you get on our website, be sure to hit the menu and scroll down and find Prime Deals for Amazon deals. Now, we put out new Amazon deals every single day of the week, y'all. And some of these are code deals. Some of these are coupon deals. So be sure to check that out. And that's all there is to it. Let us know in the comments if you're going to start using these Alexa rebates or if you already do. And we want to thank you so much for watching our little how-to video. We really hope that this helps you save tons and tons of money. Be sure and subscribe to our channel. Leave us a thumbs up and a comment. We can be found in multiple places. Check us out in all the places you see there on your screen. And we'll be back with the next big deal. Bye, guys.